I mean, Ryan, we're talking about 68-mile-per-hour wind gusts. I'm from Florida. I immediately think tropical depression, tropical storm. How are we gauging?
Yeah, so what we're looking at right now, I mean, that 68-mile-per-hour wind that you're talking about was recorded at Harrisburg International Airport, but it's been windy across the entire area. And speaking of, we were just talking about holiday travel and traveling on the highways. You better keep a firm grip on that steering wheel today, because as you can see, the camera in Ephrata right now is shaking. You can see it's unstable in the wind right now. Gusts are already up into the 40-mile-per-hour range in Ephrata. You can see gusts at right around 46 miles per hour, sustained winds out of the west at 24 miles per hour. But look at the temperatures, 38 degrees. We were into the 40s and 50s for some areas today. Now we're dropping down into the 30s. So the winds are not only the big story, it's those temperatures. As this cold front that already passed by, it's dropping our temperatures quite a bit. But here's Storm Team Live Radar Network, just seeing some of these lighter snow showers that are just on the outer fringes, or just on the outer fringes of our western communities, but really stopping there for the most part. But here's some reported wind gusts. You can see a little bit of a wind gust report towards Lititz. That wind gust report was up towards the 60 mile per hour range. You can see a 62 mile per hour gust recorded in Lititz. This is right around Lancaster Airport, by the way. So that's when we got this report, right around 1:30 in the afternoon. Also towards Seven Valleys, a non-thunderstorm wind gust, but a large tree is along a house along Main Street is what we're seeing as of 1:54 in the afternoon. And here's some other wind gusts we got. 66 mile per hour gust in Manheim, a 52 mile per hour gust in Thomasville in York County, Fort Indian-Town Gap, a 47 mile per hour gust. These are some very strong winds today, folks. So that's why we've made today an impact day and also an impact evening for those strong winds. Now, as we get into the weekend, it'll become calmer and seasonable too. We'll see temperatures getting back to the 40s, but then we'll see some more rain chances as we get into next week. So expect those winds to persist through the rest of this evening. Still could see gusts between 40 to 50 miles per hour with sustained 15 to 25 mile per hour winds out of the west northwest. But it'll be feeling colder. You can see between 28 and 32 degrees with some partial clearing. Then we'll be partly to mostly clear overnight, and then partly sunny as we get into tomorrow afternoon. We'll have lighter winds out of the west turning southeast between 5 and 15 miles per hour. But here's the current winds right now. 29 mile per hour sustained wind in Harrisburg, a 24 mile per hour breeze so far in Lancaster. Very gusty day today, a 26 mile per hour breeze in Chambersburg. And here's some of the gusts as we get into the next 12 hours here. Still looking gusty as we get closer to 11 o'clock this evening. But you can see as we get into early tomorrow morning, the winds begin to subside a little bit. Gusts only getting to 20 miles per hour, but we're still looking at a little bit of a breezy day as we get into the overnight period. But here's something else too I wanted to show you. Predictor wind gusts. You can really see those colors really starting to not be as intense, not as red and pink. You can see a little bit more into the blues. You can see 8 mile per hour breeze in York and a 13 mile per hour breeze in Lancaster, but still have that wind advisory in effect until 1 a.m. Saturday, and a high wind warning for Franklin County that'll also be up until 1 a.m. Saturday. So that's why we have that as an impact day, impact evening, and a little bit into tonight for those high sustained winds. Could see an isolated snow or rain shower, but just be on alert for those downed branches, those isolated power outages as we get into overnight tonight. Here's temperatures from earlier today, by the way. Observed highs so far. Now look at the temperatures at this time. Down into the 30s we go, and we'll continue to go down towards the 20s for overnight tonight, and then also into early tomorrow morning, as well as getting into our Sunday. But you can see we'll be right around that average line in terms of this weekend. 36 for Monday, but then back up towards the lower to mid 40s as we get into midweek next week. Storm Team Live Radar Network, you can see it's just tracking some of these snow showers now just to the west of our area. There's a snow squall warning that was just issued just outside of Altoona, so we're going to continue to watch that as we get into this evening. But windy and colder for the rest of this evening, but we'll see some high pressure building in as we get into tonight, into tomorrow. But that high pressure will help to clear our skies as we get into Saturday and Sunday. Now we're chillier for your Saturday, a little bit more mild as we get into Sunday. And guys, we're looking at another chance of some showers for Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week.
Yeah, I was looking forward to talking to you because this afternoon I was home and that wind sounded wild. I didn't know what was going on. And I saw it was raining at the time, but I knew it was much more than rain because the wind sounded crazy.
Yeah, it was. I mean, I heard some of the ventilation accumulation a little bit, just kind of rattling a little bit. At least that's what I heard. But
Yeah.
it's definitely a windy day out there. I looked at the trees and they're moving back and
all
forth.
over
These
the
full size
place.
trees. I'm like, whoa!
It makes you nervous.
Don't fall down.
Yeah,
Whatever you do, don't. So.
Yeah, thanks for keeping us ahead.
Absolutely,
Really appreciate
absolutely.
it.
Just stay safe out there, all right? It's very windy.
Yeah, thank you, Ryan. All right.